Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Hollow Knight in split screen mode. Let's get started. Hollow Knight does not officially support split screen or local multiplayer, but with the right community-made mod, it is possible, and it actually works pretty well. The main tool is called HKMP, which stands for Hollow Knight Multiplayer. It is an alpha stage mod that lets you connect multiple game instances, so two players can explore Hollowness together. You will also need something called Nucleus Co-op, which forces split screen play by launching multiple windows of the same game and assigning each one to a different controller or keyboard. The setup does take some time. First, install the HKMP mod using Lumafly, which is a mod manager that handles dependencies easily. Then, configure Nucleus Co-op to launch Hollow Knight twice. Set one instance as the host using a specific port and have the second one connect to that IP, which is usually just localhost. Once connected, you will see both characters in the same world. I'll show you how to do it. First, open Lumafly and click on Mod. In the search bar, type HKMP and look for it in the results. Once you find it, enable the mod. Next, open Nucleus Co-op and search for Hollow Knight. Simply install the script from there. After that, launch Hollow Knight through Nucleus. When the game opens, you should see the split screen setup. In the top right corner, you'll find the HKMP setting. Enter your username. In the host field, you can enter your IP, the host field. You can enter your IP address, but for local play, you can just type localhost. Do the same for the second player at the bottom. For the port, you can enter any available number, for example, 6666, and make sure both instances use the same port number. Once everything is set, start hosting and connect the second instance. That's it. You should now be able to play Hollow Knight in split screen mode using HKMP and Nucleus Co-op. Thanks for watching.